Ramogi ranyisi ni chenro marwa mar ng'iyo kaka ipiedho ji maoro kwayo ne dwaro mar bedo komishonas mag IEBC dhi nyime. Kama wacho ni chenro mar piedho jogo manoro kwayo mar bedo komishonas mag IEBC dhi nyime odiochieng' ma kawuono ka Eliud Wanjao gige mawuok e kaunti ma Kirinyaga obedo jal mokwongo modadho gi lemono. Aput matayo chenro no med ndalo 14 mar piedho ji 111 mane oro kwayo ne lema 6 mag komishonas mag IEBC.
In your home county, drawing from your national ID, as you enter, I believe you see the signboard, you are entering the home of
champions.
Champions. Yes. Which Kenyan athlete broke 2 world records in 2023?
Faith Kipyegon.
You have worked most of your entire life in the Central Bank of Kenya. I want to make it easy. I'm not going to ask about the European. Who was the first African Central Bank governor, and in which year was he appointed?
Duncan Ndegwa, 1966.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you very much, Ezekiel. Tanwi, we have appreciated learning from you and hearing about your experience and how that experience can be translated into some positive change at the IEBC. I don't know whether you have any questions or a comment that you'd like to make at this time.
Chair, I have one comment. As I said earlier, the managers of money are those people who work in the financial sector, and money translates to a better standard of living in the long run. IEBC manages votes. Votes carry with it dreams of people, dreams of jobs, better roads, and better health care, which eventually enters or contributes to the high standard of. Chair, allow me to draw this conclusion that the managers of money can easily manage the issues of IEBC. Thank you very much, Chair. I really want to appreciate, again, as I said, for inviting me, considering my application. I don't take it for granted. I know you have an enormous task. The whole country is watching and praying for you. God will have mercy and grace so that you come up with members that will take this country forward. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you, and blessings to you too.